Honey, I called you to discuss issues which has been a burden and a headache to me. You know very well the situation on grounds here is unbearable. Sometimes I find difficult even get close to you and then talk to you about it. But I thank God you are an understanding person. Sometimes I find it very difficult, but I only want peace and harmony to prevail. So in other words, I have to go to another and be behind her. Look at sometimes the attitude sometimes Tilly portrays in this house. I know it hurts so much. Coming out with words that will hurt you. That'll make you feel bad, but all the same you still cope and control yourself. So I'm here to show my gratitude and then to say I'm sorry for the inconveniences. That is why I called you.
Well, I don't have anything against you.
You don't mean it.
You're still my husband. This is my home. Nothing is going to separate us. Fee, I love you so much.
And I love you too.
I still have you here. I love you.
I also still have you in there.
Well, even the Bible says in all things we should give thanks to him. And I thank God this has happened for you to realize your mistakes. I'm so happy you've apologized. I'm happy. That's all I can say. Because you're my husband. This is my home. I can't leave my home for anyone.
I'm a sensible person and I can't go by following her and then neglecting you. It's about time I have to let her know that you are the owner of this humble abode.
No.
I have to.
No.
So the respect that
Babe,
she will
you
render
don't
to...
have to. Just leave her. I still have you here. I love you, Fee. I love you so much.
I love you too, baby. I love you.
I thank God for this day.
Thank you. I love you. What do you care for? I want to prepare something for you myself. Go to the kitchen. What do you care for? Tell me, honey.